This one weird product generates $110 per sale. You want to know what it is? Then watch now.
Level up our lifestyle if we love the game.
What's up, everyone? Adrian Morrison here with another product to sell in April of 2022. Look, I know that your time is valuable, and rather than just giving you a super long list of products that you can add to your store, I figured, why not just do the research and give you one product at a time so you can consider that one product, load that product in your store, and start running with it. And the reason for this is because while most people think that you need hundreds of products to build an online store, well, the fact is you really only need 2 to 3 solid products that you can plug into your Shopify funnel and literally start generating thousands of dollars per day just from those few products. And if you stick around to the end of this training, I'm going to tell you how to get my personal Shopify funnel that you can literally plug any hot selling product into to make sales. But before we get into that, let's talk about the product today. And actually, before we even get into the product, I want you to go ahead and I want you to smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, like this video, and make sure that you always stay in the loop and get those notifications whenever I release new trainings just like this, because I drop videos on how to crush it with e-commerce every single week. All right, so subscribe. All right, now back to the product. You've probably noticed there's a growing interest in essential oils and natural remedies these days. It's crazy. I see them everywhere in my Facebook feed. Well, while I happen to think that market is pretty saturated, there's a way to profit from these through the back door. I'm talking about humidifiers and diffusers. See, pretty much everyone that's into these oils, and even people that aren't, love to have a humidifier or diffuser in their home. These things help people breathe better, sleep better, and some will swear that it helped heal them during allergy season, which is right around the corner in April. But here's the biggest problem with most diffusers out there. And you might laugh at this, but the biggest problem that I see is that most of them, they're just not cool. They look super lame, or they're bulky, or they just don't go with your room. So unless you're really looking for one, they're pretty hard to sell because there's really no wow factor to them. But recently I was doing some research and I found a humidifier that I think does have the potential to lock in that wow factor while being super useful at the same time. Now, it's called a flame humidifier that literally looks like a mini fireplace, the size of a humidifier that can just, go about anywhere in your home. Now, what I love about these, not only do they diffuse oils or just, water mist, but they also look great. It could literally function as a centerpiece in your home, even if you're not into humidifiers. That's what's cool about this. Some products I look for are purely there to solve a pain point. I mean, you should be able to look at a product and immediately know how that's going to benefit your life. But some products go viral just because they have a wow factor that people have never seen before. And having a lifelike flame coming out of your humidifier certainly has that pop that we're looking for. Not only that, there are a bunch of colors that you could choose from to work with the aesthetic of your room. So whatever room you're putting it in, it can look good there. Plus it uses a mini remote, so you can control it from anywhere. But let's get into the numbers of why it's actually a great product to sell. First off, take a look at the Facebook ad this brand is using. It's got almost 1,000 likes and hundreds of comments from people saying how cool this thing is. Now, I was able to find this on AliExpress for about $40. And the site that ran the Facebook ad is currently selling it at $150. That's $110 in profit from just selling one of these things. And what's great is I'll bet this is not only on Facebook, but it's all over TikTok as well, where everything looks cool. Now, if you're wondering how this fits into a full-blown e-commerce business, what I would do is have some essential oils on hand to use as a cross-sell. Then even add an additional humidifier as an upsell, because let's face it, there's more than one room in most homes, and if you're into this, you're probably going to want several for each room in the house. It also makes a great gift, so adding a second one as an upsell is a no-brainer. All right, so that's all for today with this product. And if you're wondering how to take a product like this and turn it into a $500 to $1,000 per day product, build an e-commerce empire, then check the link in my description for a full case study on how this works. I literally go through a funnel that you can plug any product into and absolutely crush it. There is a blueprint. So all you have to do is just click the link in the description and it's going to show you everything that you need to know. And also, if you don't have a Shopify store, there's also a link to start your free trial with Shopify as well through my sponsored link. You'll actually click that link and see my page on Shopify.com, my picture. It's really cool. So make sure that you check those links out in the description. Make sure that you launch this product because it's hot right now. My team is doing research every single week. We're looking at the numbers, we're looking at the data, we're spying on Facebook ads and TikTok ads, and then I'm taking all of that hard work and research and I'm delivering it to you here on my YouTube channel completely free every week. And that's why, again, you need to smash that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and leave a comment below and tell me, what do you think about this product? Do you think it's cool? Are you going to try to sell this product? Have you tried to sell humidifiers and essential oils before? I want to know your thoughts. And what would you like to learn in the future in one of my next videos? So comment below, turn on those notifications, and I will see you next week with another free training. So I'll see you then.